thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dallas County and north central Texas until 7 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Duncanville, moving south at 10 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Cedar Hill around 6:40 p.m. This will impact Interstate 20 between mile markers 446 and 454. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.
The current time is 6:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time.